On today's episode of MotoCheez.
What's up, Minitruck?
Look at all the mud from last night. We're going to see what the kids are doing. Me and Jeffro and you and Tiny Tonka. Hear them? Look at that, Tiny Tonka. Why ain't this on? Oh, I had it on, but my plug worked itself out.
Oh, alright.
I saw you burning out.
Why they drink?
I got my home water. Yeah, this is where you feel the lack of horsepower going up these hills.
Yeah, oh yeah.
This is a tight one. That's what she said. And I bought this air compressor horn setup, and the compressor's built in the tank and all that. What a piece of garbage, man. Definitely don't buy that. The horn switch was leaking. Everything was leaking. The air horn sounded like garbage too. Some things you can't skim. I think the circle was better. Stop sign there, dummy. Stupid ass. I hate when they creep out like that. Come on, Tiny Tonka. I thought Tiny Tonka would be sniffing the Mini's tail.
We got company between us.
Look at that, she's lifting her skirt for him. Minnie, cut it out. Be a lady, will you? I saw that skirt come up. He come right up, didn't he?
Got that little short mini skirt, black mini skirt back here.
Oh yeah, that's right. Just covering up the little itty bitty parts that, you know, leave it for your imagination.
Yeah, and flapping in the breeze here.
Ah, so Tiny Tonka's trying to get a little upskirt shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, once she gets those air horns, she'll be real horny. All muddy from yesterday, Minnie. Should have washed up. Oh yeah, toot your horns.
That's pretty neat, huh? You got a whole Cummins block in the back of that, I think.
No shit. Oh, little Brock.
See the old air conditioning they had on these? The front window's open.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
My 40 Chevy.
Yeah.
This is the motor that's going.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a Mac motor.
Big Mac. Oh yeah. Holy shit, look at the pressure plate on that son of a bitch. These size of tires. It's got some good tires on it too.
Yeah. They're not all dry cracked either.
In your Brockway?
Yeah, it's in the Brockway and in the auto car.
Really?
Yep, Cam 400.
400 cubes?
Yep.
These thing's massive.
I'll buy a big can by the covers right here.
Oh. Yeah, I'll bet you that you couldn't put this in the back of the mini truck. You'd probably squat it. You probably couldn't even haul this thing. What's that weigh? 1,500 pounds? 2,000?
I want to say about 10 and a half.
Holy shit, that's about 3,000. Well, with the transmission on, I believe it. Wow, that's a lot of iron. Yeah, I don't think mini truck can haul that. Motor Rider. What is that? I wonder if it's Chinese. It must be Chinese. That's mint. I like
Yeah,
the paint
pops you and
job.
knocks you in the forehead. That's
Who
how you
painted
get
it?
here.
Kenny said he had to empty the spray can.
Oh.
Spray, whatever the fuck it is.
Did a good job.
Yeah, right? Got the headlight and everything.
That looks good, Kenny.
Thanks.
You want to paint my mini truck?
Sure, when?
I don't know. Got any paint left in that can?
Oh yeah, plenty.
Alright, we'll follow. That was from Gary's last
Dirty
night.
Mini. You got roosted too.
Yeah, thanks.
Kenny.
I pulled Kenny out and he roosted me. Look at this. Look at it.
Oh man.
Didn't even get a
got a
thank
lot
you.
of
Didn't
cars
even
to
thank
wash.
Minnie for pulling you out.
I know.
Oh, what am I doing? I'm talking to you and going in the wrong side. Minnie's hauling the beer. Only for the people that are 21 and older. Forgot to put you in low, Minnie. Minnie's playing with the boys. Tiny Tonka's right there, boy. You little muddy. Woo!
Get a Bill Bill.
No problem. And your motor's singing like a sewing machine.
It got really sloppy and I was worried about you.
Oh yeah.
And him. You don't have great tires.
Nah, he did good. I did good, mini truck. Ah, made it. Where'd that guy come from? Where'd he come from?
More trails in there. Remember I was talking about the gap? 2011. Yeah, what year's yours?
What?
DRZ.
Well, that was fun, Minnie. That's a nice motorhome. Minitruck. Do good, Minnie. Real good. Woo, it's steep, Minnie. Tiny Tonka. Oh, uh-oh. That's not good. Oh man, good thing you put the skid plate. Good thing you put the skid plate.
Oh yeah.
That's a big rock.
Slid right over.
What'd you hit the horn?
They screamed.
Got a winner up here.
I see that. They'll get their head up their ass.
Pretty sad when a mini truck's pushing a car down the road. Losers! $35 and a $55 is totally unacceptable. Sorry. Now see, that's when I wish I had my air horns hooked up.
Yeah, usually gets their attention.
Because I'm going to use it when people are on their cell phones and everything. Those are the best.
Yeah.
Well, I remember when there wasn't a stop sign. We used to drive right through for the shortcut before this development. Oh, look at that old vet in front of us, way up. I don't think we'll catch him now. Well, maybe now that Prius is out of the way. The mini truck can open up here.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. There, we caught him. See him?
Yeah.
Alright, Jeffro and Tiny Tonka. Good ride. We'll do it again. So I did get another set of tires. 25 812s. Got them to fit on there. I know I got a tire problem. Taking a nice tread pattern. They remind me of the Jeep tires that I have. Only thing is, one of them was like 6 ounces plus out of balance on a little 12-inch rim. That's not good. Plus, you parked the mini truck for a while. When you get in to drive it, it feels like it holds a flat spot in the bottom of the tire, which is kind of odd. I asked the seller about that, and he's also looking into replacing that one tire that's way out. So of course you know what my next video with the mini truck's going to be. Stay tuned.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.